glow-in-the-dark stress balls.
What we have, we're all gonna need these stress balls after this video.
Right now,
but what are your materials that you
our
need?
materials are.
And I'm mom to Tegan and Holly to Lucas.
Yeah. So we have our glow in the dark, our dark beads.
Yep.
Yeah, beads.
Glow in the dark beads.
Yep. And we need some colored beads.
Colored beads for the aesthetic.
You could also use slippery spheres, water beads.
Or beads.
Yeah.
Walmart.
And you need clear balloons.
Yes.
Sturdy balloons, right?
Yeah. Strong. Yeah. And don't use food coloring.
And show them what they'll be making.
So we're gonna be making like this kind of stress ball.
Yeah. It sounds very nice. Oh yeah.
It really does work because they've been playing with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch. Hear that?
Okay.
So
let's,
right now.
So show them what you did. Tell them what you did.
So we did
put
this.
So we put some water in the water bottle, because that's where water goes, and then you put the beads inside of it, and it makes a big mess. So you need some parent supervision.
Yep.
Yeah, supervision. Okay, and then you put one of your clear balloons on top.
You would need a parent for that as well.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Or an adult.
Or an adult.
Yeah. So you have to hold the balloon on really tight and then tip the water bottle.
Otherwise, what will happen?
It will pop all over.
And make a big mess.
So.
And that already happened with the food coloring, right?
Yeah.
Oh, who did that? Tegan, I can't
They
believe
just did
you.
a video where
So let's
one of the
tip
balloons
it over.
exploded with food coloring inside of it, right?
So right now, let's tip the balloon over.
Okay. And
Now, this is the hardest part, right?
yeah, wait, I'm doing it the wrong
No,
way.
you're doing it right.
Wow,
I know.
Tegan's are going right in.
And Lucas, yours were too.
Yeah, but I'm doing it the wrong way.
Wow, look at
You
that.
shake it, move like this up and down. It's not too hard where it pops off, that's all.
So all of mine are out. Now let's take the water bottle off.
It's
The
like
water bottle. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna add some whatever.
Here, Tegan, you want me to tie it when you get it off?
There we go.
Let all the air out now.
Yeah.
There you go, Luke.
I'm gonna get rid of some air.
You guys are doing a great job.
I think we should lose a lot of air. Just like
But
that.
it could be
Here,
as much as
I'll
you
tie
want.
it for you.
So let's tie.
We had a little bit more air in one of the balloons that we
And Mom, you
made.
can tie loose.
Yeah.
Oh, and
And it's happening again.
the water's leaking out of this.
But
that's okay, right?
It's okay.
Yeah.
There you
So
go.
right now, I already made mine. Look at this.
Beautiful, right? Like, wow.
So once you get them tied, we can put them to the light and show them how cool they glow in the dark, right? Mom, you need help?
Because there's glow-in-the-dark
My hands are
beads.
just wet, but I get it.
Guys, look at this. Glow-in-the-dark
There you go, Luke.
beads.
Oh yeah, mine is better automatically, so like.
Yeah. Hey, make sure you guys get your shouts out.
And Lucas is our
Yeah,
guest tonight.
Comment down below whose is better, you think.
Her name is Tegan and my name is Trash Can.
Lucas.
But Lucas is our guest tonight because he's spending the night. And
Free food.
And what do? We play Just Dance.
Yeah.
And we play with the dog.
Yeah, doggo.
Yep. We have
So,
Little Caesars.
so you guys get your balls made up. Tegan, let me put them in front of the light, and you
I
guys
think
can
you guys are good for
you
now.
guys can do your shout outs. Here,
Okay.
let me see. I'll put them by the light. You can do your shout outs. Go ahead. Tell them who you want to do shout outs to.
So we're gonna do shout outs to Lucas. Wait, I mean Leia, Jeffrey, Chase, my friend Julia M.
What about Lucas's turn?
Oh yeah, my turn now. So I only like pets, so I'll give a shout out to the pets. So you know Spazzy, my home dog Negan, you know some socks, some DOG, some Gizmo, some Max. I don't know if I said his name again. I don't know.
What about JoJo?
Oh, and my brother Joseph. Like they're forcing me to say him. But, yeah.
Okay, guys, I put them in front of the light. I'm gonna shut the lights off. Let's check them out how they glow.
Yep.
Which one?
Okay.
Who's here?
Mine is.
This is yours.
Yeah, mine has.
There you
This
go.
is mine.
These are awesome stress balls, right, Mom? Shut off the lights. Let's check it out.
Whoa, guys, look
Let
at
me shut
this.
this light off too.
They're glow in the dark.
Yeah. Beautiful, right? Oh, jeez.
How do they look?
They look.
Super cool. Mom, turn the light back on.
Look at that.
They look like little fishes.
You can't really see them. Hold on. Bring them closer.
Here, we gotta like.
Here, let's
Crawl
see.
on
This one's Tegan's. It doesn't come up. Here, turn the light on, Mom. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but they are super cool. They glow in the dark, stress balls.
Tell them about the sounds and everything.
Makes
If you have a bigger one, if you do, yeah, it'll make sense. And then sometimes, if you're lucky,
can't see your head, Luke.
oh sorry, they can get. You can change the form of the balloon. I played with these balloons for like 2 minutes, and it went like into a different form.
Yeah, super cool.
So guys,
Like a
look at
Pokemon.
this. All the beats are over here. Now all the water's over here.
Yeah, super cool. Why don't we say goodbye and then tell them about what we're going to be doing
Socks.
tonight too? We're also going to be making
A
slime stress balls, right?
Yeah, so like see you on that video. Like,
All right, Tegan.
Come on, Socks.
bye.
And
And
thanks
peace and
for
thanks.
liking our video.
Where's Socks?
So like
Like
this
the video and subscribe.
subscribe.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.